Welcome back to the PLG 123. This is episode 65, and today's tab is about Notion's crazy generous new free plan. Let's dive in. Notion launched its official Notion for Startups program 2 years ago, and the idea was simple: get startups to use Notion from day one. It's a better way to organize information and collaborate, so why not start off on the right foot rather than kicking the can and doing a messy migration years later. To achieve this, the program had a simple two-step strategy. Step 1, partner with all the best accelerators and incubators where startups are hatched. Step 2, offer all those startups $1,000 in credits to use toward the Notion team plan. At $10 a month, this means that you can have a team of 10 use all the premium features for a full year without paying a dime. Pretty great, right? And a lot more generous than a 14 or 30-day free trial. Now Notion is expanding this program to include all startups. You can still get that $1,000 in credits if you work with one of their partners, but if not, you can still get $500 in credits if you're just a regular old startup. Seeing this, some folks may raise an eyebrow. If you give 1,000 startups $1,000, that's $1 million in total. You can almost see the headlines now. Notion gives away millions. What will crazy startups think of next? But if you instead think about this as a marketing campaign, well, then it's entirely run-of-the-mill to spend $1 million on a channel that's performing. And given Notion's size, my guess is that the nominal numbers are way bigger than $1 million, and it's working. Well, that does it for today on the PLG 123. Make sure to follow me and tune in tomorrow for another new tab.